Have you ever felt helpless in a hospital bed, wishing you could take control of your own recovery? That was me not too long ago, bound by tubes and machines, desperate for a breath of fresh air. Imagine being in a hospital bed, surrounded by the sterile scent of antiseptics and the relentless beeping of monitors. Despite the best efforts of the medical team, I was consumed by a profound sense of helplessness. But a spark ignited within me, an urge to take control of my own recovery. I decided to self-extubate, to remove the breathing tube that had been my lifeline for what seemed like an eternity. This is not a decision to be taken lightly. It carries risks and ideally should be a decision made in consultation with healthcare professionals. For me, it was a choice born from a deep-seated belief that I was ready to take this step. The moment I removed the tube, it felt like a weight had been lifted. It was a tangible reclamation of control, a testament to my determination and courage. Yes, there were challenges. Breathing on my own was initially a struggle. I leaned heavily on the support of my medical team to ensure a smooth transition. But the sense of freedom and accomplishment I felt far outweighed any temporary discomfort. This act of self-extubation was a turning point in my recovery journey. It was a stark reminder of the importance of advocating for my own health and well-being. My story is not just about a medical procedure. It's about resilience, self-determination, and taking control of one's own journey. It's about understanding that sometimes we need to step out of our comfort zones and trust in our own strength and resilience. It's about the power each one of us possesses to shape our own recovery. So whether you're a patient in a hospital bed, a healthcare professional, or someone simply navigating the challenges of life, remember this: you have the power to take control of your own journey. Stay informed, advocate for yourself, and seek support when you need it. You can overcome obstacles and emerge stronger on the other side. As we reflect on my experience of self-extubation, let's remember the lessons learned along the way. Let's embrace resilience, self-determination, and the power each one of us has in our journey towards healing and recovery. And that, my friends, is the story of my self-extubation. It's a story of courage, determination, and taking control of my own recovery. It's a story I hope will inspire you to take control of your own journey, whatever that may be.